You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the basic equipment you need for your bakery to be established in 2026. So the first equipment you are going to need is your oven. Either this 4-deck 16-tray oven or you go for 3-deck 9-tray oven. Now it could either be gas, rotary oven or the electric oven. In this case, these are gas oven. Now what are the differences? For the gas oven like this is foreign made. And for this one, you still need electricity to power it, although it may be just small generator and it can power it, or your solar system can power it, and then you fix your gas. But if you buy the electric oven, you don't have to use any gas. Just put on and you are good to go. But it will always be three-phase. The electric oven will always be three-phase. This one is just any small generator can power it, just for these components, to display. If you don't have money for this, you can actually start your bakery with this one and you're good to go, because this one can take in half bag while this one takes in full bag. And with this one, you'll be able to produce not less than 6 to 7 bags per day. With this one, you can produce not less than 20 bags per day, depending on the ability of your workers and the other equipment that are available. If you buy gas oven and possibly your 25 kg mixer, this size of generator can power it, you're good to go, or a little bit bigger than this will do the job. If you buy your electric oven, you should go for this size of lister so that it will be able to power the mixer and the oven. Now let's look at the next equipment, which is this dough molder. Now the dough molder is optional. As a beginner, you can actually do without this equipment, but if you have the capital, you should go for it because it makes the work easy. It will help your new staffs, those that are not actually experienced in molding, to be able to mold good bread, because if you just cut and drop it here, you are good to go. It will roll through here and then come out to this point, and then they will just pick it. Next on my list is dough divider. This is a very beautiful, important equipment. Now, if you want to produce bread like the one that is 500, 300, 600, you can actually use this one to cut. This is a 32 pieces cutter. It cuts up to 32 pieces. Now, if you want the one that will cut the big size, you should carefully check, because this one cuts the small size. There's another one. The one displayed on your screen is the one for bigger ones. That way you can actually cut the jumbo size and the sliced bread size. But if you want the mini size, go for this dough cutter. Now this dough cutter makes the work easy. Instead of your boys trying to cut small loaves, small pieces of dough like that, you just cut 3 kg, bring it to this machine, and it will do the job. However, for this and this are not really compulsory as a baker. As a beginner, I know if you don't have enough capital, don't bother about this, don't bother about this. You can do it manual and your bread will still be okay. But if you have the capital to ease up the job, you can go for these two equipments and it will be very, very helpful. Let's look at the next equipment. The next equipment you need is the mixer. Now this is a 1 bag capacity, which is 50 kg capacity mixer. As a beginner, if you have this one, you are good to go. Also, you can use your 25 kg capacity mixer, which is also very, very good. But this one makes the work faster because it takes in large quantity. You can start with 1 bag and you bake every mixing is 1 bag. However, the 25 kg capacity is also good because you can be mixing 20 kg per batch and you are good to go. The next things you need are your pans. You go for either the small ones, you need this size of pan, so you can go for your jumbo size, the slice pan, or the round bread pan. We don't have round bread pan here. So these are now your pans can either make your bakery business profitable or destroy it. The reason is that if you construct bogus pans, you will not be able to make profit, because where people are weighing just 600 grams and is good. It will fill the pan. Yours will not fill because the pan is so big. And so you have to construct concise pans that are just nice for the business. So in summary, you need your oven, either 3 deck, 9 tray oven, your mixer, it could be 25 kg capacity mixer, and power supply. Your equipment like your other materials like the pans, the tables. This table is locally constructed. You can just buy the stainless steel and then ask your welders or other people to construct it. This is foreign made. Turn it a little for me. Now, this is the one we just bought, foreign made, and it's small. So if you want a wider table, you meet your welders to construct it for you, and they will do a better job. So this is the table. You also need a scale, a digital scale like this for accurate measurement of recipe and dough, other things that you need to weigh before use. You also need racks. You cannot either construct wooden racks or you buy these ones, or you meet a welder to construct nice racks for you so that you can arrange your bread for cooling, and it must be decent because hygiene is very important in bread business. This is a slicing machine. If you want to produce sliced bread, you will need this machine for effective production of sliced bread. After baking, when the bread is cool for at least 2 hours, you bring it to the slicing machine and it will do the job. Very nice and smooth. So these are the basic equipment you need: the slicing machine, the mixer, the oven, the pans, table, your rack, and you are good to go. If you want us to train your staffs in your bakery, or you want to visit our bakery for training, or you want to do training online, please contact us and we will give you the best training. If you need recipe that will be profitable and the same time accepted by customers, also contact us. We also write business plan for your business as a beginner. And so anything you need concerning bakery business, please do well to contact us and we will give you the best. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, tell us where you are watching from at the comment section. See you in our next video. God bless you. Jesus loves you and he really loves you.